Now we're going to talk about subtracting integers. For subtracting integers, we're going to move ourselves away from the chips because we find that the tuck out strategy works the same as the chip strategy. To start, we're going to begin with 2 minus 4. This time, we're going to refer to the minus sign as a negative. So we're going to think of this as 2 positives and 4 negatives. Again, we're going to ask, what do I have more of? Positives or negatives? I have more negatives, so my answer will be negative. Then I need to ask, how many more negatives than positives? 4 minus 2 gives me 2 more negatives, leaving me with an answer of negative 2. Using the same strategy on a number line, again, for positives we move to the right, negatives we move to the left. We start by moving to the right 2 places, and then the left 4 places. Moving to the left, when I reach 0, I've moved 2 places. Now I need to move 2 more to move to the left 4, leaving me at, again, negative 2. The next problem we're going to try is negative 3 minus 5. Again, I'm going to look at my negative sign, my minus sign, as a negative sign. So I'm going to say that I have 3 negatives and 5 negatives. Using the circle strategy, I recognize that I have all negatives. Therefore, my answer will be negative. Altogether, I have 3 and 5. I have 8 negatives. On the number line, I'm going to move to the left 3, and then again to the left 5. Moving to the left to negative 3, and again 5 more jumps would take me to negative 8. When subtracting integers, there is a special type of problem called a double negative, during which we would have a subtraction sign next to a negative sign. Before solving this problem, we're going to rewrite the problem, changing the double negative to a positive, giving us the problem 6 plus 3, which we know equals 9. Another example of a double negative would be negative 9 minus negative 2. Again, we're going to change our double negative to a positive, giving us the problem negative 9 plus 2. To solve this problem, again, we're going to think, which do I have more of, negatives or positives? In this case, I have more negatives. Now, I need to figure out how many more negatives than positives I have. 9 minus 2, I have 7 more negatives than positives. When given a double negative and using the number line strategy, again, you're going to want to rewrite the problem and solve using negative 9 plus 2. On the number line, we would move 9 places to the left at negative 9, and then 2 places to the right, putting us at negative 7.